For question number 1, from a committee of 8, how many ways to elect the president and vice president and secretary? So we have a N, ang N natin ay 8, and then ang R natin ay 3. And we have 8 and 3. Si 8 ay kinuha siya sa 8. And then si 3 is the president, vice president, and then si secretary. So we have a 3 person. Next, si 8 factorial, and then si 8 add si 3, nilagay natin sa baba 8 minus 3, and then 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 equals 5 factorial, and then 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial over 5 factorials, and then na-remove natin yung 5 factorials, tapos i-times natin silang tatlo. 8 times 7 times 6, so we have 336. So they are 336 to elect a president, vice president, and secretary.